Hi, I'm David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I'm going to answer the question, what is the Doctrine of Unclean Hands? But first, I want to say that if you have any questions about what you're going to hear today, you would like to talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc to book a consultation with me. And please like and subscribe to my channel so you get more of this content in the future. Now, what is the Doctrine of Unclean Hands? Generally, the Doctrine of Unclean Hands is an affirmative defense, meaning in a lawsuit, a defendant will put the Doctrine of Unclean Hands as an affirmative defense as a way of protecting themselves in the lawsuit. Okay, what is the Doctrine of Unclean Hands, though? Basically, it says that when it comes to this transaction, or whatever you're asking for here, that your conduct, meaning the plaintiff's conduct, is also unclean. Now, if both sides have what's called unclean hands, the plaintiff cannot get what they're asking for. Now, I'm going to break this down a little bit. There's a few factors to this. The first is the Doctrine of Unclean Hands only applies to equitable relief, nothing to do with money damages. So, for example, if a plaintiff is asking for an injunction to prevent the defendant from doing something, the defendant can say, no, you have unclean hands, you are not entitled to this injunction. Now, unclean hands is specific to whatever the action is you're trying to stop, or whatever you're being sued for. So again, like the injunction. You can't say this guy spent 10 years in jail for murder, so they have unclean hands, because that doesn't apply to whatever the injunction's for. Okay, it has to be in the injunction or whatever the equitable relief is. It has to do with that. So again, how does this look like? Someone asks for an injunction to keep someone off their property, let's say. And the defendant then says you're not entitled to the injunction because you built your fence 5 feet into my yard. Your hands are not clean. So that, in that case, that is unclean hands as to the property boundary, which is what the injunction would be for. And so you use the Doctrine of Unclean Hands to prevent the plaintiff from getting the injunction. Now again, if the plaintiff sues you for $1 million and you say, well, you have unclean hands does not prevent a money judgment, only for equitable relief. I know this is a confusing topic, so if you have any questions about what you heard today, you would like to just talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc to book a consultation with me. And remember, please like and subscribe to my channel so you get more of this content. Once again, I am David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.